too. All right, trappers, we are live, man. We are sitting here in the Jag. I made it to BattleCreek last night and back, guys, but I'll tell you, when I got there, it really wasn't what I thought it was going to be. Way worse, and I should have anticipated that a little bit, knowing that it was a Jaguar with an electrical issue. Just said gearbox fault. I just thought he had a problem here with the internal workings of the gearboxes right here. Let me flip this around. I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about, guys. This piece here, it comes up gearbox fault, or there's something wrong with this transmission. As far as I knew, that was the only thing that was wrong with the car, is that it was stuck. He couldn't get it out of park in the gear. He said it drove, didn't have any problems, anything like that, that's fine. So I figured I'd go up there. It's almost 2-hour drive one way from where I'm at here in Napping East. So we drove up to check him out, but when I got there, the battery was flat, guys. It was dead. So we put him on the charge. The Trailblazer, man, I'm telling you, thing's got 3 or 4 batteries in there, and it took a minute to let it sit and charge his battery up. So it was flat, and his electronics were going haywire. So we put it on, jumped it, started it up, let it run for a little bit. Guys, he's got a lot more issues than just the one. I got him out of park and into drive. I put a switch in between there. There's a solenoid inside that releases that. So I jumped off of the power side of the cigarette lighter and into, believe it or not, there's a red and black wire. The black wire is the side that you go into, and when he hits the switch, opens the solenoid up, lets him go into drive, do whatever he needs to do. But he has another issue. His alternator is bad. As soon as we took it off of the jumper cables off the car, it didn't take long and it just completely died. So his alternator is not working at all, and his battery will soon be shot because of it. But we did get him running, get him going a little bit, but his e-brake is stuck on, and we fiddled with it. We tried to reset it. The battery had already gone flat. So I'm not really sure what to deal with his electronic park brake. It's not really an emergency brake, it's a park brake. I'm not sure what the deal with the park brake is, but this is what I recommended to him. Nobody ever uses it. I didn't even unless you have a manual transmission, then you should just have like a pull type park brake. So I don't understand why they would put this electronic stuff in there. I guess all it really does is help, like when you shift from park into gear, it helps stabilize, so there's not all the stuff on the transmission, all the torque, pressure, whatever it is on the transmission when it shifts into gear. It's the only thing I can think, guys, but it doesn't really make sense. So this is what I recommend to him: jack it up, pull the wheels off, take the cables from the e-brakes, and just pull them off the brake mechanisms. It'll release his car, and he'll be able to drive it and get it off the side of the street. He needs to get it into the parking lot there to where he's at. So maybe if I get an opportunity, I'll go back up, help him out, get those things off there, get him where he needs to be. We looked up an alternator for that thing. It's like $100, so it didn't really seem too bad for an alternator, but he definitely needs that. But that was what was going on, guys, and believe me, it was a mess. We were troubleshooting. He had blown fuses, all kinds of everything. So that was definitely a mess up there, guys. I didn't really care to get it a lot on camera. I was really hands-on, and it kept me real busy. It wasn't as simple as I thought, so I didn't want to fiddle with the camera and trying to do all that and film and sort out the issue and try to help the guy. So that's why we didn't get footage of that. If somebody would have went with me, maybe I would have let them be the camera person and we could have got some footage. But that's the story about BattleCreek, guys. There's a train, you can hear that. But I wanted to give you guys an update on that. Man, it's ugly, guys. It's ugly, but he needs some help getting his car out of there, definitely so. But from what I've seen, to be decent, he just needs to resolve those little issues. But we got him bypassed. No matter what, he can get his car out of park. Even if it's not running, he can get his car out of park, get it into drive. He's got to get them e-brakes off, and I just recommend pulling the cables clear off of them. He's got an e-brake, parking brake, whatever it is, followed on his dashboard anyway. Pull the cable and forget about it, so it's never on. That's what I recommend. But that's what we were doing at BattleCreek last night, guys. I didn't get home till almost midnight. Late day, long day, but it's alright. Hopefully he's happy, man. Hopefully he made a little progress with his car. I hated to see that the e-brake was stuck. That was crummy. I really wanted to see that off. If he'd had the tools, we'd have got it done, guys. But I didn't have my jacks or anything like that with me, so we didn't accomplish it. But that's the deal on that, guys. I figured I'd let you know. You've seen the last video. That's the deal. In the next video, check this out. These are the spacers. They came off of the Trailblazer on 26s. So everybody talks so much bad stuff about these or whatever. So these were on year before last when I had the 22-inch Spintex, and they were on again this year with the 26s. And here's the question: did these heavy rims crack or break these things? I've got two here, but where are the other two? So you have to watch the next video, check it out, find out. Maybe we'll go over some more. The video for this right now is on YouTube when they went on, when I talked about how to get them on. So we may do an update in the video coming up about these, but I'm going to do a couple things, let this train pass, and we're going to do this spacer video, I think, guys. So till the next video, keep on trapping, guys. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. I appreciate every comment, whether it's negative or whatever it is. Thank you guys a lot for everything, all the views, all the comments, likes, shares. It's amazing. Thank you to everybody. So keep on trapping, guys. Even in a pandemic, even during a presidential miselection, whatever is going on. Oh my gosh, I don't know who won. That's crazy, but I guess we're gonna find out. I really don't know. But anyway, guys, keep on trapping no matter what. We'll see you in the next clip. Until then, that's it.